Hi guys, everybody talk about the mocks that I'm giving that many mocks, I'm giving that this and that. So mock is a full length paper, but we normally ignore the value of the topic wise tests. Yeah, so what I recommend, let's break the paper into parts and focus on every topic which is there to score well. Why? You need that because most of the time student will come and tell me during the mock sir I could not solve the question. I can solve the question from the book, but I can't solve it online. Why this is happening? Because you're not used to that. We are not used to the online thing. You're not used to the timer. There are a lot of factors which come into thing. So what I recommend is to give as many tests as possible. चाहे तो 5 mock कम दे दो चलेगा. See 5 mocks, 100 question. Let's say we have a test. Every topic in CAT paper is around 1 or 2 question the weightage. So I can do 50 tests is equivalent to 1 mock. Yeah. So if I reduce my number of mocks by 5, I can actually increase. I can take up to 200 topic wise tests. So for example, in CET in login ID, the moment you buy our program, mocks program, I think with mocks as well, this is there. In the assigned courses, go to assigned courses, you will see skill builder test. Within that we have the DIDS test, verbal test, quant test, all the tests. For example, quant, for every topic we have the test. Like on Monday this week, I'm going to launch probability. We're going to do probability in detail. So probability you'll find 2 tests here. So you can pick up the test, you can start. This is my login ID, so I can see a sign. Otherwise, you can directly start the test. So it's around 25 to 30 question ka test. 30 question. Because I believe 30 question is a very good number to get an understanding of the paper. So here the test chart. Test is of the medium level. Yep. This is how the test. And once you submit, you can see the analysis, how much you scored, how many did right, how many did wrong, overall breakup, question wise performance, complete thing. You can check out the detail. Yeah, you can do the analysis of your every question in the report card. Yeah, so there are around 300 tests in this login ID. Then you can compare with the performance with the other people as well. So in case you join our program, in the description box I given the link where you can join us. So one student have just sent me his scorecard. So today I gave a time and work test. I'm feeling very low because I got only 4 questions right. So our friend have got only 4 correct out of 30 questions because this week the topic was time and work. So out of 30, 4 questions right, bro, you are getting today. Trust me, it's a very good score. A, because you are just given the first mock. You know how many the cutoff for IIM Ahmedabad? Out of 34 question, you have to just do 10 question correct to clear the quant ka section cutoff. Yeah, 85 percentile, which is normally the cutoff, just the cutoff, section cutoff for IIM Ahmedabad is 85 percentile. You will clear the cutoff by doing 10 question correct. So if you're doing 4 question correct, you can easily reach 10. Today you're doing 4, next month suppose you do 5, next month you do 6. Even if you improve by 1 mark every month, 1 question correct every month, you're still going to IIM Ahmedabad. Yeah, so don't worry, this is okay. First few tests score kami aayega, but gradually your score will improve. Yeah, so my advice is whichever topic you do today, suppose you did time and work, do give a time and work a test. You will practice the online thing. You will start understanding how the online system work with a timer on. Trust me, I consider a test to be like Bali. You remember Bali? Mahabharat नहीं रामायण में था Bali. Bali के पास he had a superpower that anybody who come in front of him, his power will become half. ठीक है. That's why Ramji also attacked him from behind a tree. Yeah, because he used to take the power from the opponents. Same way when the timer is on in the mock, your efficiency, your speed, everything become half. So to get used to that, I have to play with Bali. I have to fight with Bali every day. I have to give as many topic-wise tests as you want. Yeah. So from today exactly for CAT, we have got 200 days remaining. For CET, we have almost 300 days remaining. That's why in your login ID, we have 300 tests. Even if you give a test every day, even if you give 2 tests every day, there are enough tests to last you for the year. So whichever topic you do, you should end with a test. Even if you do 1 right, 2 right, doesn't make a difference. Just remember that out of 30 question test, out of the test of 30 question, your target is 10 question correct because IIM Ahmedabad cutoff is going to be around 10. You can do more, you can do 15 right, 18 right, 22 rights, your wish, but gradually will improve. Starting में score कम ही आएगा. Same way RC test, grammar test, whichever test you want to take, in the description box, in the login ID, you'll find there. Or if you've joined anywhere else, you can give their test. It's no issue. I'm not saying to join us only. You can give the test wherever you want. All right, but do give test. Yep, all the best.